Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best cTrader Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. There are millions of cTrader Forex brokers around the world. cTrader was developed by Spotware and is a trading platform connecting traders to the global markets. cTrader is an advanced, user-friendly platform which is responsive and provides a clean layout and a wide variety of tools. cTrader is available to download on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. The platform promotes transparency, which provides traders with great opportunities for profits. In addition, cTrader is one of the safest trading platforms to use when executing trades. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best cTrader Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best cTrader Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and cTrader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, Rtrader, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more. With fixed spread accounts available on Fixed Cent, Fixed Standard, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations, with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. Coming in at number 3, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. As OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best cTrader Forex brokers, we have Fondex. Fondex is a well-regulated ECN and STP broker, which is based in the Seychelles and Cyprus, with respective regulations through the FSA and CYSEC. Fondex makes great provision for a variety of traders, despite their trading needs, objectives, or their level of trading experience, specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, shares, crude oil and natural gas, indices, precious metals, and ETFs. This broker provides one type of live trading account with various and plentiful features such as lower spreads, fast and reliable execution, access to more than 1,000 instruments, micro-lot trading, one-click trading, and more. Featured platform is available on the cTrader trading platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. With Fondex, traders have access to educational articles, a trading glossary, market news and analysis, as well as company news. If you are searching for any additional educational material with Fondex. And those are some of the top 5 best cTrader Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.